Before we get ready to warm up and hit the ice, let's go over a few common skating terms. There's only two sides to skating, and it's not your left and right. There's a skating side, which is the leg that's on the ice and gliding along, and the arm associated with that same side. And then the free side, that is the side that's up in the air, just hanging out. Check. We always hear this term in skating, but what does it mean? We hear about it a lot coming out of jumps and for turns. The definition is stopping rotation, so think about some pressure in the opposite direction, all while controlling your exit edge. Us skaters love to keep flowing across the ice. So what is continuous flow? Continuous flow is the ability to maintain a consistent running edge across the ice. We also hear a lot of talk in figure skating and hockey about edges. So what makes good edge quality? Think of a stable arc or lobe with proper alignment and balance over the skating foot. Extension is also key in skating. It's your posture and carriage with a stretched out body line. If you pretend that your hip down to your toe is just one bone, it's going to be a straight line and stretched out. We're building a solid skating foundation here, guys. So let's review posture. What is proper skating posture? Eyes are always up, and so is the head. So think chin up. Arms generally below the shoulders, slightly in front, and think they are stretched out and parallel to the ice. They're not too lax and they're not too tense. So remember to lower your shoulders away from your ears and stretch those arms out. There is no break at the waist. And you think of pulling yourself up like a puppet. Your head and spine is perpendicular to the ice. So think proper alignment. Your skates are under the hips, or think of the stack. Head over your shoulders, over your hips, over your feet. Power. We love speed and power in figure skating and hockey. Power is the creation and maintenance of speed and flow across the ice. Power is also done effortlessly. Lastly, I'll talk about quickness, your foot speed. How precise and crisp are you at executing those changes of edges, those transitions, and those turns?